Hey guys, so yesterday I made this flavor packed, dairy free cheese stuffed, guilt free, gluten free turkey meatballs. It was so soft, so delicious, and just irresistible. Let me go ahead and show you how I made this. Okay, I got my turkey meat over here. Of course, any meat of your preference will do. And I'm going to marinate the turkey meat with a quarter teaspoon of black pepper and less than a quarter teaspoon of pink salt, or any salt will do. Himalayan pink salt aids in hydration, balances electrolytes, and supports overall well being. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Not forgetting 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. After half an hour, I took the meat out of the fridge. I set the table for the dairy-free cheese filling, the flaxseed mixture which is used in place of egg wash, and breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs are made with lupin bean and coconut flour. And I have rosemary and thyme with this, and I picked this up from my garden at the back. Now I'm going to oil my hands and let the stuffing meatball process begin. First I take a handful of meat, then I put the dairy-free cheese in the center, close it and dip it in the flaxseed mixture and then in the breadcrumbs with the herbs. Then with the pan on low heat, I'm put some olive oil and I will fry each of the meatballs for 5 to 7 minutes on each side until it's nice and brown. Okay, so this is it guys, they're looking so good. But now I'm going to put this in the oven. So I got my parchment paper over here, my baking tray. And I'm just going to slowly put this on here. Bake this for 13 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, these are out of the oven and it's looking so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I can smell the rosemary in there. It's so strong. And I can smell the basil too. Okay, look at this. Look how well it turned out. As soon as I bit the meatball, I could taste the soft, warm, melted cheese and the bitter taste from the turmeric, followed by a peppery, lemony taste from the meat, combined with the herbs in the cheese. It was a mouthful of soothing yet invigorating and intense flavor. It was so good.
What do we have here? These are like turkey biscuits?
Turkey
Meaty
meatballs.
Meatballs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, look at that. I'm filled with cheese.
With the surprise in there. How does it taste?
This is like a healthy version of the Red Lobster cheesy biscuit.
Except it's meat.
There's a meat.
Which all guys like.
Meat biscuit. Good for keto.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos as well. Have a great day.